Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. Behind me is a 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. Our brush bar looks awesome, fits the lines the way it's supposed to be. We're going to show you how to install in this video. Alright guys, to get started, you obviously get a brush bar, DOM 1.75" you guys. Really simple. You'll need a basic tool, a 17mm socket with a ratchet or whatever, a buddy's going to help you. So what we're going to do is remove some of the factory toe points. You're going to reuse the old bolts to tighten this up. Let's go ahead and do that. This is underneath the vehicle, so you have these 2 bolts you can remove. And this one too. Like I said, using the 17mm size, you remove these and you can not put these on anymore. Where you need a buddy to help you out. So if you have the bottom valance, it's going to be a little bit harder, so you might have to go from one side like they're doing right now. Kind of have to fish it a little bit, just like that, and then boom. As he holds it on top, he's going to line up the bolts. Remember, everything just have to be hand tight right now. So you may have to adjust the left to right. Just make sure it's in the center, guys, before you tighten it all the way. Looks really good. I like it. All right, you guys, this concludes our video. Really simple, guys. 2 buddies, 17mm sockets, and also what we did, look at that, red tow hooks. That looks really good. I really like it. It just kind of clears the whole thing and makes it look nice.